Welcome, today in front of me OPPO FIND X5 PRO, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe by this way just this dot to the right side with your finger. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in the advanced settings and volume button function section you have selected ringtone volume, not the media one, because by using now volume buttons of our device we'll switch the ringtone. And now by press up volume button we can also unmute our device ringtone. And third way, we can just slide with our fingers manually this volume panel to the up, and by this way we can also unmute our device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.